Hey y'all, I got sent over a 2-burner infrared cooker here. We're going to get it opened up and see what we have in the box, and I'm going to try it out. While I'm opening this, I'll put a picture right over here that you can read all the features that are listed here on the side of the box. Y'all go ahead, and I'm going to start opening this up. It'd be great if you cook for a lot of people and you use up your 4 burners on your stove, or how many ever burners you have, and you need to have some more burners, or move stuff over onto this to keep them warm while the rest of it's cooking. Thanksgiving's coming up, so get ready. You might need something like this. All right. What do we have here? Or, I'll tell you what else this would be good for. Where I used to work, we used to have potluck lunches. And people would bring in crock pots and things like that. And sometimes you didn't really need a crock pot. You just needed to keep stuff hot. And something like this would have been ideal for that. We didn't have a stove in our break room. Had a microwave, no stove. This would have been ideal for that. We have our instruction manual here. It's model CMIP 07 and CMIP 08. I guess it's an instruction manual for both types. Looks like one is a 1-burner and the other one is going to be a 2-burner. And we have the CMIP, was it an 8? When was it, 8? Yep, it was an 8. So this is for the 2-burner. Looks like it's pretty straightforward though. I mean, it's a cooktop, basically. For some of y'all, this right here might be important. I'll take a picture of that and put it right here. Storage, always unplug the appliance. Cleaning, before cleaning, turn it off. To clean the heating surface, wipe with a damp cloth. A multi-purpose spray cleaner may be used. They must know my cooking. Might need a little more than a damp cloth. Anyway, we got some read before you use. Here, I'll show you. You get this right here. Got it upside down for y'all. It says read before you use it. So y'all be sure to read that before you use it. I'm going to set this under here. I'm going to try to scoot that camera up a little bit so you can see. Well, tell you what, let me go ahead and put it over there on the countertop. That way we can get it plugged in and everything, and then I'll show you the little settings right down there. Be right back. I don't know if you'll be able to read that or not. It says, it's normal and safe that the new burners smokes when first used. There is a protective coating on the heating elements and internal accessories, which will evaporate and disappear after several uses. There is no need for concern. Take them off. Okay, I'm hoping that you can see this okay. We have a lock button right there. We have our down button and our up button. This will be turning the temperatures up and down on this particular burner. Have a timer, and with on and off. Same thing over here. Lock, down, up, timer, and on and off. What do you say we turn the burner on and see if we can boil some water or something? Boiling water is quite a task when it comes to me cooking. I'm just kidding. I'm not that bad. But I'm not a chef. We have power. It's a good thing. All right, we have our pan of water on there. So if we was over there cooking over here on the cooktop and it was all filled up and we needed to keep something warm, or we needed to like make some mac and cheese or some tea or whatever, we would be able to put that over here and get to cooking. Turn that on. Set a fan in there. Set it at 900. I don't know if that's high or low. Let's see. 100 to 900. So 900 is set on high. Let's just see how long it takes to boil it. I'll tell you what, we will speed the process up if I can find my phone. I think about 30 or 40 seconds has went by, but there's a timer if you can see that. Well, you won't be able to see it, will you? I'll let it run, but there's the timer on it if you can see it. We'll see how long it takes to boil. It's red. Is that hot? No, it's not hot over there. We'll set it right there. Like I said, it's been going about 45 seconds, I think. 45 seconds to a minute while I found my phone. I know somebody's going to say, well, how much water was that? So what I'm going to do, since I didn't do it already, is when that boils, we'll let it cool off a little bit, and I'll pour it in a measuring cup, and then we'll know. This is almost like watching paint dry. I don't know if you can see the little red glow down there, but it's definitely getting hot. I don't think this is hot over here. It's cool. It's not hot at all right there. You start feeling a little heat the closer you get to that little gray line. But over here, it's cold. Not a problem at all. Well, I see we're getting little bubbles down in the bottom of the pan right now, so shouldn't be too much longer. Now we're getting some bubbles coming to the top now, but not a full rolling boil. About 207, 208 degrees. I would say that is boiling. And it was, what, well, we're going to go with about 11 minutes. Because it did go for a minute while I was finding my phone to set the timer. So we're going to go with about 11 minutes. So it get a boil. It just continue to get hotter. So anyhow, about 11 minutes to boil some water. Now let's see how much water that is for those who really want to know. We'll go ahead and turn this off. Oh, well, let's look at the timer. Okay, 30 seconds. We'll go down to 0. Up to 2 minutes. No, that's up to 2 hours, isn't it? So, you gotta go up to 2 hours. From 1 minute to 2 hours. We'll let that cool off a little bit, and then we'll pour it in the measuring cup, see how much water that is. Yeah, water's cooled off somewhat, so let me grab our pan here, and we will carefully pour it in the measuring cup. Well, what would you say? That's 2 cups at that line. So, 2, 2.5, 2.25, 2.5 cups. Anyway, over 2 cups of water. Hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, you can go ahead and look down there in the description, and there will be an Amazon link to this product. Go down there and click on that link and order you one. So there we have it, the CUSIMAX double infrared burner. If you've got some extra cooking you need to do, or to keep stuff warm, or whatever the case may be, you got 2 extra burners right there. Or 2 burners if you don't have a stove around. Anyhow, I guess this fan will shut off when it gets cooled off, because this still says hot. So make sure you don't touch that. I would say it's a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.